How to check Gmail password in Google. Let's get started. Launch your Google Chrome. Now, click on three dots given at the bottom right corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Password Manager. With that, your Face ID will be enabled. With that, you're gonna get the access to the passwords that you have saved for different websites. That might also include the Gmail. Just check. Likewise, another way is launch your Google browser. Click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option Manage my Google account. Head over to the tab Security. Scrolling down, you're gonna find the section of Password Manager. Click on Manage Passwords. With that, you'll be prompted to enter the password. With that, you're gonna get access to the passwords that you have saved. So this way you can easily check Gmail password in Google. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.